A business absolutely devoted to service will have only one worry about profits. They will be embarrassingly large. A business that makes nothing but money is a poor business. Thinking is the hardest work there is, which is probably the reason so few engage in it. Most people spend more time and energy going around problems than in trying to solve them. A market is never saturated with a good product, but it is very quickly saturated with a bad one. Any customer can have a car painted any color that he wants so long as it is black. As long as we look to legislation to cure poverty or to abolish special privilege, we are going to see poverty spread and special privilege grow. Before everything else, getting ready is the secret of success. Failure is only the opportunity more intelligently to begin again.